Come on into the room. Come on into the room. Be coachable, teachable, trainable, brand master. Martina Britt Yelverton here, your brand master, your cash flow queen, and founder of Youth Lifestyle Training, the #1 legal tax hack to hire your kids in your home-based business. So currently, we are working heavily on the mission that we have at hand, and that is to serve struggling startups, savvy seniors, people out here going crazy, losing their mind in the entrepreneurial space to develop a simplified brand so that they can learn, lead, and level up and master their brand. You guys know that it is my daily goal to brand you, educate you, and to help you get your assets in order so that you can leave a legacy, or better yet, live one. So come on into the room, be coachable, teachable, trainable, post your city and state, and let me know, even on the replay, where my reach is heading out to. If you have not had an opportunity to understand what it is that we are doing here, we are on a 30-day journey. Today, we are picking day 22 to get caught up to understand how to pick and choose your time. So I have my journal here in front of me. I hope you have your journal there in front of you. You are going to walk through the paragraph that is in the journal. We're going to jot a little bit of information down in the space that is provided below, because we're working on consistency, okay? Because we're working on consistency, and I want to help you along this journey, it's very important that you take the small, anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes a day, to journal something, to do something consistent, to create a positive habit, to create some type of consistent habit toward your self-improvement. So you guys may be thinking, I really don't see the point or purpose of this. I hope that's not the case by day 22. I hope you've seen the need to create these daily habits. I hope that you are, walking in your gift and talent, that you are doing things like your affirmations. Matter of fact, let me share a couple of affirmations with you that I say on a regular and consistent basis to move myself along. And I do this anytime in the day, not just at the beginning of the day to get started, but any time of the day. I'm consistently walking in my affirmations journey, my affirmatic. I don't know. We could come up with a whole new word. Y'all know how Webster is. But let me read a couple of mine to you. And so one of them that I say to myself all the time is, I can achieve anything I put my mind to. Everything is possible to the extent that I believe it is. I dream wide awake as well as, and as much as I do while asleep, allowing my subconscious to activate my conscious so that it will happen. I immerse, submerge, submit, and commit to the positive conditions I attract into my life according to His will for my abundant journey. I'm effective at starting and serving and completing my task and the task of my clients to ensure their success, assisting with my financial freedom. I meet my daily financial goals of $100 to $1,000 days by serving ethical, coachable, teachable, trainable clients. Guys, I consistently control my thoughts, my actions, and my responses. And because of this control, I make excellent positive decisions. I control my inner environment. Therefore, I maintain a disciplined, honorable, humble, peaceful, servant environment. These are just some of my affirmations that I say to myself each and every day, that I read out loud, that I say to my subconscious so that my conscience can be activated. This is the point and purpose of walking out this journey. And when you do this on a regular, consistent basis, you are retraining your subconscious. That is important, because truly, your subconscious does not know the difference of what is reality and what is not reality that you tell it is reality. It doesn't know the difference. It's like that reticular activating system that when you see something one time, that reticular activating system kicks in and it sees it all over the place. Like you buy a white car, all of a sudden white cars everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You see green shirts, all of a sudden green shirts are everywhere. And your brain and the universe begins to line up behind green shirts and white cars. If you don't believe me, test the theory. Focus on something for consistent 30 days and watch it begin to take shape in your aura. So let's jump right into page 31, day 22, pick and choose your time. Only you can schedule your time productively. Only you can schedule your time productively. If you choose to scroll on Facebook or stay up late or oversleep in the morning, the results will be an unfocused and unproductive life. However, Choose and schedule your time carefully and reap positive benefits, because setting a schedule and keeping it, because if you don't set a schedule and keep it, you aren't the only one who suffers. If you are unorganized and off schedule, these habits will show up. These habits will now, inevitably be passed down to your little people, ensuring there are more bad habits. So, reading the text again, I need for you to ensure there are more good habits. So, consistently schedule your time, consistently pick and choose good habits, consistently have a focused and productive life, because they don't do what you tell them, they do what you do. For all of you parents and mothers and fathers of little people, they don't do what you tell them, they do what you do. So if you're trying to figure out why your life is chaotic, look at what you're doing and see if that is not reaping the same effect from your kids, and your life will continue to be chaotic. When you begin to walk in a consistent, organized fashion of a schedule, appointments, notice what your little people will start to do. I just noticed it. I noticed it a lot with mine. Mine are now 15 and almost 17. So 15 and 16 and a half. 14 and a half and 16, about to be 15 and 17. And I'm noticing that when I'm really paying attention, little small things are being picked up by them, because it's something that I'm doing, not something that I'm saying. So hashtag say less, do more. Okay. Again, if you have not had the opportunity to grab your copy of this 30-day journals and walking out this journal with us to shift your mindset, grab your copy at 30days.martinabrityelverton.com. Right now, the workbook itself, the journal itself, is still $19. However, the course that goes along with this, when all of the recordings are done, it will be a $49 to $99 project. Again, because we want to do what? We want to take our own intellectual property. We want to monetize it. We want to impact. We want to help people. And we want to catch our coins at the same time. So that's what I have for you on today, day 22, to pick and choose and schedule your time productively. So on the flip side, on the inside, you can come to a much more self-improved end to that segment of your journey. I hope you guys are finding value in this. I'm excited about what we've done here over the past 21 days here on day 22. I'm hoping that you are now reaping in your third week some really good habits, and you're seeing some things take shape in your life. I would love it if you could drop comments below the video, catching the replay, that you're live or catching the replay, and letting me know where you are along this journey and anything that I can do to support you. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. To your success, BrandMaster Martina Britt Yelverton.